So we're not even through 2018 yet, but already the 2019 court calendar is getting pretty packed. You got a March status hearing for former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn. That's a week after a sentencing hearing for convicted Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort. So that means 2019 will be filled, potentially, with some big legal moments after a 2018 that saw plenty. MSNBC chief legal correspondent Ari Melber, host of The Beat, right here on MSNBC, joins me now with the breakdown. Ari, top 10 moments. What you got?
Good morning, Hallie. Sometimes it felt this year like we were all going through law school together. Some of the top stories in every rundown and on the front page were legal stories. And so now I'm very happy to be with you. We're going to air this for the very first time, something we put together to really look through what a year it's been in the law. Let's take a look.
Number 10, the border fights. President Trump separating immigrant families.
If you don't want your child to be separated, then don't bring them across the border illegally.
A federal judge halted the policy and ordered the administration to reunite the families, while other judges struck down Trump's policy to defund sanctuary cities. Number 9, Trump attacking the rule of law.
A stunning report out tonight says President Trump was poised to order the criminal prosecutions of two of his biggest political adversaries.
President Trump ordered the firing of special counsel Robert Mueller back in June.
Legal experts say those moves would be illegal, and Trump's own White House counsel blocked them. Number 8, the rise and fall of Michael Avenatti, a lawyer who became famous overnight for representing Stormy Daniels and taking on Trump and his lawyer Michael Cohen. Avenatti surged in a political climate hungry for warriors against Trump.
When they go low, I say, we hit harder.
But Avenatti ended the year announcing he won't run amidst a domestic violence allegation. Number 7, Avenatti's foe, Michael Cohen, who pled guilty and got 3 years in prison.
The judge, how do you plead to the sole count of the information? Michael Cohen, guilty, Your Honor.
Guilty of campaign finance violations for Trump hush money and lying to Congress about Trump Tower Moscow. Number 6, a change in law enforcement as juries convict police officers of committing murder in the line of duty.
There's no justification for shooting Laquan McDonald that night. Not one shot. Not the first shot, not the 16th shot.
Jason Van Dyke, guilty of second-degree murder.
That's 2 officers convicted this year compared to 1 murder conviction for officers in the past 13 years. Number 5, the Supreme Court upheld Trump's travel ban, the court ruling in a 5-4 decision that Trump had not exceeded his authority. Number 4, Bob Mueller indicting Russians for election interference.
The indictment charges 13 Russian nationals seeking to interfere in the United States political system, including the 2016 presidential election.
A historic development, the first U.S. indictments of foreign election meddling in the modern era. Number 3, Paul Manafort convicted. Trump's former campaign chairman found guilty on 8 counts, including tax and bank fraud, and later pleading guilty to conspiracy, striking a deal that Bob Mueller now says Manafort broke by lying to investigators. Number 2, Me Too prosecutions, a movement that has been growing and moved from activism into the courtroom this year with prosecutions and convictions.
A guilty verdict in Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial.
This was the max sentence, 10 years.
Disgraced movie mogul Harvey Weinstein has been indicted by a grand jury on rape and criminal sex act charges.
99 women accusing Weinstein of harassment, including well-known stars like Angelina Jolie, Gwyneth Paltrow, and Rose McGowan.
He should go to jail forever. He stole so many lives.
If he stole your lives, do you get it back today?
I think today is a damn good start.
But 2018 also showed the limits of that movement. The top legal story of the year, Brett Kavanaugh confirmed to the Supreme Court by just 2 votes after a tense confirmation battle over sexual misconduct allegations.
This whole 2-week effort has been a calculated and orchestrated political hit.
I believed he was going to rape me. I tried to yell for help. Brett put his hand over my mouth to stop me from yelling.
Brett Kavanaugh sworn in by the justice he's replacing after days of denying the sexual misconduct allegations against him.
And Hallie, this is the piece we did for the whole year that we're running all day. It is merely a coincidence that we landed on some of your anchoring of that newsworthy moment that will shape the court, if he's happy and healthy, could shape the court for decades.
Oh, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.